Hey guys, Joshua here with Salty Scales. Welcome back to another video. So perhaps you're out on the water and you look down at your gauge and you notice that you've lost all of your speed or all of your informational data while on plane. Well, it's most likely that the speedo tube has been fouled up or blocked, and I'll show you a quick fix and how you could solve the problem. So one thing you're going to need, guys, is a 1/16 bit, very small bit. So I have my bit. I went ahead and trimmed up my motor. So as you look down and you run your finger down the front of the lower unit, you're going to feel a little notch. And this is the little pitot tube hole. This is how water enters your motor in order to give you an accurate setting or an accurate reading for your speed and RPMs. So take your drill bit and gently put it in this pitot. Now you should see little driblets of water, as you can see there, wanting to come out. Don't force anything, just kind of gently move it back and forth, and that may be all you need to do to resolve this issue. Hey, my hope is that this video will actually save you a lot of money and a trip to your expensive mechanic. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like, comment below, let me know if it fixed your issue. Till next time, I'll see you on the water.